Welcome to the Multimedia Impact Briefing for Central Alabama. This briefing will focus on flooding concerns for today and tonight. We will see 2 rounds of showers and storms across Central Alabama. The rain mass moving in from Mississippi this morning will produce 1 to 2 inches of rain through about noon today. There will be a few thunderstorms embedded with the rain. No severe storms are expected this morning, but heavy rainfall and flash flooding will be possible, especially west of Interstate 65. There will be a second round of showers and thunderstorms moving in from the west ahead of a cold front this afternoon. The timing hasn't really changed since yesterday, and the storms could enter the west as early as 3 to 5 p.m. this afternoon, and exit the east as late as 4 to 5 a.m. Tuesday morning. As always, these times are approximate. The threat for severe storms appears very limited this afternoon and evening due to the morning rainfall. The showers and thunderstorms will come to an end as the cold front moves through tonight. Flooding now looks to be the main concern with this system. Forecast rainfall totals from this morning through Tuesday morning are generally in the 1 to 4 inch range for the entire forecast area, with the highest totals across the west. If these forecast rain totals do materialize, flash flooding will be a problem. Also, with some rivers still in flood or just below flood stage, additional rises along the Tombigbee, Black Warrior, and Cahaba rivers and their tributaries are likely. Okay, to recap, we will see 2 rounds of showers and storms today and tonight. The first is here this morning already, when some strong storms are possible with winds up to 40 miles an hour, some locally heavy rainfall, maybe some flooding. The second round moves in this afternoon and pushes east through the night. Maybe 1 or 2 severe storms will be possible, maybe, but flooding will be the main threat. My advice for today is to stay weather aware and take appropriate action if a warning is issued for your area. For those interested in the latest river stages and forecasts, please go to our homepage and click on Rivers/Lakes in the left-hand menu. From there, simply click on any of the river forecast points displayed on the map. This will display a graph for that particular location that includes past and present stages as well as forecast stages. These forecasts are updated several times per day. Thanks for viewing. Please remember to check the graphic casts on our homepage for the latest information during this event. If you have any questions, you can call us at 205-664-3010.